Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this OPPO. You need to start by accessing Tab menu. Now look for Auto-Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is white. That means that Auto-Rotation is off. If you want to turn it back on, just click on the same icon. If you want to, you can go into settings as well. Scroll down just a bit and click on display and brightness. Following that, scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to Auto-Rotate. If it's gray, that means that Auto-Rotation is off. In order to turn it back on, click on the same switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!